let's talk about investment bonds and when should you invest in them. For those who are not familiar with investment bonds, it works like a loan, like an IOU, where you are lending your money in exchange for an interest return over a predefined duration. After the loan matures, you will get back your principal amount. The thing about investment bonds is that while there is a higher certainty in the expected returns as compared to investing in stocks, the very expected returns of investing in a bond had been on a decline for the last 2 decades, as central banks all over the world had continued to reduce their interest rates. As a result, the viability of using and investing in a bond for your portfolio has essentially been decimated over the last 2 decades as returns plummet to such a low level that the instrument has lost its purpose as a diversification tool as compared to how it had performed before the year 2000. That's it. When should you invest in a bond? The feasibility of using such a bond largely depends on the prevailing interest rates environment. During a time of a low or rising interest rate environment, investment-grade bonds should be avoided, as investors are exposed to potential capital losses without being compensated adequately as interest returns are low. During times of a high or decreasing interest rate environment, investment-grade bonds should be considered, as investors will stand to profit from the potential capital gains while receiving a high interest return. Personally, I will not consider use of bonds if their return rate is lower than the CPF special account, as it does not make economic sense for us to take on a higher risk but be compensated with a lower return. That said, there are additional considerations to be made before one blindly uses CPF SA as a bond proxy. Now, all of this can also be found on my book, The Price of Financial Freedom, which will provide you with a comprehensive guide to help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms in the shortest possible amount of time. You can download a copy of it for free on my website. The link will be in the bio or the description box below. In my upcoming videos, I'll be shedding more light in terms of investment strategies and implementation considerations. So do subscribe or follow my account to stay updated.